This week, we've teamed up with Thermaltake for another awesome competition. Our last giveaway with them was so popular that they've decided to do it all over again, but this time we're giving one lucky winner the chance to choose a water cooling DIY kit up to the value of £500 from Thermaltake's range. Thermaltake water cooling kits are designed for users who are looking for an efficient and high quality combo kit that's ready to sync with any 5-volt RGB capable motherboard from Asus, Gigabyte, MSI and ASRock. To be in with a chance of winning, you simply click the link for a free entry, but take note of this important bit. You must tell us which Thermaltake cooling kit you choose in the comments. If you don't do that, then I'm afraid you can't win. We've added a link to Thermaltake's range that we stock here at Scan on the competition page for ease, and if there's anything left over from the £500, you can spend that on any Thermaltake products. But again, you must let us know which you choose in your comments, and you can't go a penny over £500. So to get entering, just click the link for free entries and good luck.